Are you tired of manually uploading your Klaviyo lists to Google Ads? Discover how to connect them in under 3 minutes with zero code. We'll quickly walk through the 8 clicks needed to activate Google Ads in your Klaviyo account. Click Integrations. Then, from the Integrations page, go ahead and click Explore Apps to open the app library. Now, find and click on Google Ads to open its details. Click Install. After that, click Connect with Google to begin linking your account. A Google authorization screen will appear. Select the Google Ads account you want to connect. Then click Continue to proceed to the next step. Finally, click Complete Setup to finish integrating Google Ads with Klaviyo. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.